Good morning, everybody. Now we are studying the art of living without food to avoid the sickness and to exploring the ourselves to develop the emphasis to develop the library gap to develop the multi-way by the cheap cost. This is evolution science invented by 30 years ago. The cleaning process invented by the scientist Venkateshan. His name is called S. Venkateshan, BE Civil Engineer from Tamil Nadu district, Tanjavur district, now called Thiruvarur. Town is Mannargudi. This project is evolution based. This is one of the evolution science. This is not a medical science. This is evolution medical science. Evolution medical science is what is a medicine. Cleaning is a medicine. Important bowl cleaning is a medicine. Important large colon cleaning is a medicine. This is natural way. There is no need for the artificial medicine. There is no need for the artificial food. There is no need for the any kind of artificial. By the we need only cleaning purpose. This system available in multiple language. This system are available in multiple language. If you want this program, with a cheap rate. If you give donation, enough donation, I will send you your system with your own language. That's all. We are studying many books. Maximum religious books are available in the world, but the science book very minimized. There are some many science books are in the universe. Maximum available religious books are available. This is one of the science book. This is natural science. How to become a self doctor? How to become a self doctor? This is by cheap cost. Artificial doctor makes cost. Artificial doctor. This is one of the artificial doctor. Medical science is artificial doctor. Medical science. Artificial medical science. One of the cheap cost education system. That is only syllabus and examination. Syllabus and examination system is very cost. That makes only medicine doctor. Medicine will not cure the complete disease. Any kind of medicine or herbal or pills or herbal cures merely perpetuates a problem. Cures merely perpetuates the problem by suppressing the symptom. The scientist Venkateshan says he tested the yogi science. 60 years ago, 1960, that time 1960, when he in young, the scientist Venkateshan in young, that time he hold 15 years. He very interested in the yogi science. He was interested in the yogi science. We studied a lot of Tamil books. Thirukural, Thirumandram, Thirumular and Siddhar பாடல்கள், Siddhar thoughts, Thirumular thoughts, Thiruvular thoughts, and Yogi's thought, Bhagavad Gita thoughts, Yoga Sutram thoughts, Upanishad thoughts, etc., etc., etc. He is one of the Tamil man. He completed the BE Civil Engineering at the Indian University, nowadays called Anna University. Against the bribery, he resigned the post. He get a government job from civil service. But against the bribery, he resigned his government post and go to the Gulf country and built a lot of multi-store in the Gulf country and returned to India and go to study new invention. Yeah, most invention, the important invention, CCW engine invention. When he professor at a Nagapattinam district, Valibalam Polytechnic College, doing as a teacher. That time he invented the CCW engine. That engine gives hydrogen and oxygen. That proposal had been sent to the NRDC. The NRDC people said, you can send the if you have prototype machine, to send directly to the NRDC. But he says he had done only the paper project, not a theory project, not on a kinetic project. He sent only the potential project by the theory with the drawing. But they cannot understand. But they did not understand the project sent by the scientist organization. So he closed the proposal and come to the another project, gravity wheel project, etc., etc. He affected by the sugar. Then he affected the sugar and rheumatic. He felt in the disease. And fortunately, he got a mucosal diet killing system, and through study the mucosal diet system and got lot of information from the mucosal diet system, and he go to the THIRUKURAL. He combined German theory and Tamil theory and make a big science from the two theory. One theory German and another theory Tamil. That's all. And after completed the study, he wrote the real meaning of Thirukural and real meaning of Thirumandram and real meaning of the mucosal diet system. That's all. And with a slow rational fasting with water diet, when the slow fasting, the poisons accumulates in the alimentary canal, old poison, starch, fat, etc. That old poison accumulate in the various part of the body, mainly food channel. He take cooked vegetable to clean the poison. and the poison will reduce slow by slow, and overweight is slow by slow reduced. In particular state, in a state of particular state, the body weight will not reduce. All disease, all disease will have closed. All disease have closed. That he feel this is a wonderful technique. He feel this is wonderful. He feel this is wonderful. That is wonderful technique. And he wrote the Art of Living Without Food by Yogic method with mind and body support. Who got the mind? Who will get the mind support? That man can be done this project by 6 months. Who get mind power? Who get a knowledge power? That man can be done by the lady or gents or ladies. Gents or ladies can be done the project by 6 months. All kind will disappear. All kind of disease will disappear. The body does not wait in pure body does not like reduce the weight. In pure body does not like the reduce weight. All foods damages the body. All food damages the body. No food gives the health. Who interested in holistic health? Who interested in holistic health will consider the quality of air and water in on a daily basis. This is a very important diet of it is important part of your diet. Who interested in holistic health will consider the quality and will consider the quality and air and water, he or she, on daily basis. That is important part of our diet. That's all. The body free from all waste and poison. The body free from all waste and poison. The body easier and longer with water and air. These techniques already had known the Siddhas yogis. This technique had known already. The Siddhas had known the cleaning technique by name of practice. Many people had done this practice. Many people had done this practice by the name of technology. Now seenable. Yogi used the cave. Now seenable. Yogi used the cave. That now seenable at Tamil Nadu. Used the cave of Yogi. Used the cave of Yogi. That seenable in Coimbatore district, Theni district, and Namakkal district. That's all. This is easy technique. Morning, first you come to the vegetarian system. Our body designed for the vegetarian. Our teeth is designed. Our teeth is designed by the vegetarian. Our teeth is designed for the vegetarian. Our stomach is designed for the vegetarian. Who consumed the non-vegetarian? That takes long time. For digestion. That takes long time for the digestion. If they take long time, the envy go to the decomposing state, turns into the cadaver poison. Envy turns into the cadaver poison. Cadaver poison is very, very dangerous. That poison converts into the carcinogens. That poison converts into the staphylococcus and carcinogens, staphylococcus, carcinogens, etc., etc. This poison slowly builds up. This poison slowly builds up. Sometimes it turns into the heavier disease, cancer, sugar, arthritis, etc., etc. The food is turns into the disease. The food is turns into disease. You consume only, you consume any kind of food. You consume the food for mind taste only. Taste depend on the mind, but the disease depend on the body. We don't like disease. If you don't like disease, if you don't like food, food is only willingness. Food is for the mind satisfaction, not for the health. Whoever will do this practice, please come to this practice. Morning to evening you consume little water. Evening one time you make more vegetable to enough vegetable, more vegetable, cooked vegetable, or more boiled vegetable, more cooked vegetable. Eat enough with two toasted bread for avoiding the constipation. Only for avoiding the constipation. Cooked vegetable or boiled vegetable for the like a broomstick. Cooked vegetable or a boiled vegetable like as a broomstick for cleaning purpose. Cooked vegetable for cleaning purpose, not a health, not the nutrition, not the micronutrition, not the macronutrition. The microwave energy has spread. Now microwave energy have been spreading throughout the universe. The microwave energy into the any body. The microwave energy, cosmic energy, microwave energy. Already we have lot of micro energy in the body. Everybody have energy. Everybody have energy. But the evolution process prevent the energy with a digestive juice with a taste. Nature goes to the wrong side. We control the wrong side to right side. We can turn the wrong side to right side with mind power. That's all. If you like this project, abroad people, you can make this project. If you like Indian people, Indian student, you can this project by easy way with a cheap cost. Don't worry about when you like ordinary food, if you like ordinary food, if you like vegetarian food, you go to vegetarian food and eat enough vegetarian food, and after vegetarian food, and next you go to clean this project. How to respond after cleaning? Who you are and what you are. Yourself, you can understand with your self support. With your self support. That's all. Thank you very much.